Hello, Elizabeth here. I'm one of the senior stylists at Charlie Goss Style. And today I'm going to take you through some holiday party looks. The holidays are right around the corner and we're all getting excited and wondering what we're going to wear and starting to prepare our outfits for the holiday parties that are fast approaching. So I'm going to give you a quick run through of different scenarios and different party looks that I would choose based on the event I was going to. So to kind of give you a rundown, I'm going to choose a work holiday party, cocktail holiday party, a more formal event, an at-home party, as well as a more festive, borderline ugly sweater party. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is my first look, and this I would definitely wear to an office holiday party. I am obsessed. I absolutely love the sequin detail on the skirt. I love the length of it. I also really love the slit that it has up the back. Nothing too revealing, but just a little bit of a sexy edge. I do love the blazer on top. It has a bit of a strong shoulder. There is a bit of padding in there, but nothing too crazy. And it's fitted, cinched in the waist, and you don't see any of the buttons. I think it's really, really sharp. And of course, dressing in monochrome is always very chic. So I paired it obviously with a patent shoe and a cute little silver bag. Obviously, you could wear this anywhere. You could even wear this to the office outside of a holiday party if you really wanted to. But I do think it just adds an extra little punch. You've got the sparkle, you've got the shine of the shoe, but also it still looks very professional. Okay, so this is my second look. I would wear something like this to a holiday party that was more of a cocktail style. So something in the evening, you're out with friends, perhaps it's at a lounge or a bar or some restaurant that's moody, something like that. This is something I would wear, so an extra mini skirt. Of course, you don't have to go so short. You could wear something a little bit longer if you're more comfortable, or go for a full-on mini dress. Obviously, I would pair it with a sheer tight, and then I did pair it with these cute little heels that do have an open toe. So don't be afraid to wear an open toe with a sheer tight. Make sure your tight is sheer, and make sure it's not a reinforced toe. So when you are looking for a sheer tight, if you do plan to wear it with a toe that is open, make sure it's a toe for sandals. Otherwise, you're going to get that dark reinforced lining at the end of the toe, and that is not the look we're going for. I also chose a really cute little black clutch with some gold detail, helps to sort of pull in the gold and black of my outfit. I do have my hair down right now, but I also, because my neckline's a little bit high, not quite a turtleneck, more like a mock neck, I would also think about putting my hair up and throwing on a statement earring. Because my hair is down, I've just gone for something a little simpler. Or I would think about adding a gold cuff on top of my shirt. Okay, so this is my holiday cocktail outfit. Okay, so this is a look that I would wear if I were going to a more formal holiday event. It could be a work event. It could be some sort of a gala styled event. What I love about this, first of all, I'm obsessed with this color. The sleeves are a little bit too long for me, so you can see that I have rolled the one sleeve under. It just sits really nicely, and that way it's not bunching up around my wrist. So I do love that this dress is long. I think if you are going to a more formal event or gala, I would definitely stick with a maxi silhouette. What I also love about this too is the long sleeves and the higher neck. We've got the ruching that's happening along the neckline, the shoulders, and through the body. I think it's really, really pretty. It's also really sexy, but without showing anything off. It has a lot of room to walk, so you don't have to worry about tripping over yourself. There is a little bit of a slit in the back as well. So for me, I absolutely love the color. I love the shape, and it's a win. Okay, so my fourth look here is a look that I would wear if I were hosting a holiday party or if I were going to a holiday party at a friend's house or a family member's house. Much like the burgundy office look, I've gone for another monochrome look. I have thrown in a pop of silver because I think green and silver look amazing together, and what doesn't say festive more than a silver shoe. Also, I have a bag with a little bit of sparkle in it to help add a little bit more pop to my outfit. Of course, if you are having a holiday party at home or at a friend's house, you're likely not going to be carrying your bag around, but it is a cute little addition. This outfit is very, very comfortable, and because I am wearing pants, it does allow me to sit and stand and move around with ease and not worrying about adjusting my dress, pulling up my nylons. I don't have to worry about any sort of fuss. So this really is an easy holiday look that is chic, but is very minimal and very easy to wear. And for my fifth and final look, this is what I would wear to a traditional holiday party, also referred to as an ugly sweater Christmas party. It's not your typical ugly sweater. However, it isn't something that you would typically wear to a holiday party, and is why I have chosen to wear it today. I have paired it with a silver midi skirt and then a silver heel as well, because you still want to look chic and cute in your ugly Christmas sweater. So you still have a little bit of style, but you still fit the bill. Let us know in the comments which look is your favorite, and thanks for spending the time with me. We'll see you again soon.